Welcome to our essential guide on safety in the workplace. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial yet often overlooked: the invisible hazard of methane gas. Commonly found in landfills, coal mines, livestock facilities, and wastewater treatment plants, methane poses a constant danger. Workers in these industries face the risk of methane exposure daily, which can lead to serious health issues, including methane gas poisoning. The presence of methane isn't just a concern for industrial settings. It's a widespread issue that affects many aspects of our environment and workspaces. This invisible threat can accumulate unnoticed, leading to hazardous conditions that can be life-threatening. Understanding the risks and the importance of methane detection is the first step towards ensuring safety. That's why the correct installation of methane detectors is not just a recommendation, it's a necessity. These detectors are our first line of defense, providing critical warnings and preventing potential disasters. In this video, we'll guide you through the crucial aspects of installing methane detectors. But first, let's start with a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Do you know where to place these detectors for optimal effectiveness? Stay tuned as we uncover the answer and delve deeper into the world of methane safety. Imagine you're in a room, ready to install a methane detector. But wait, where should you place it? Now, let's think for a second. Is methane lighter or heavier than air? What do you think? Time's up. If you guessed low or middle, well, it's time for a surprise. Methane is actually lighter than air, meaning it rises to the top in an enclosed space. So, the best spot for your methane detector? You guessed it, high up near the ceiling. That's where it'll do its best work, keeping everyone safe. Alright folks, let's wrap it up with the essentials. Remember, methane is lighter than air, so it's crucial to install methane detectors high up, close to the ceiling. Safety isn't just a word, it's a lifesaver. Make sure your detectors are placed correctly to protect you and your loved ones. Don't forget, being safe is a shared journey. Hit that like button, subscribe for more life-saving tips, and share this video to spread awareness. Stay safe and alert.